Hello and welcome to another episode of What's in the Box. I'm joking. Keep watching though to find out what we're doing here at Approved Detailing. My name's Abby, I'm the brand director of Approved Automotive, and let's see what we are looking at today because I'm sat on a box. I'm not just sat on any box, we're housing something very, very special in here, and it's all to do with customization of a Range Rover that we're going to take you through. Now, if you didn't know, at Approved Automotive, we actually consist of two separate businesses, but we're working together on a daily basis. We have Approved Showroom, and then we also have Approved Detailing. And today we're focusing on a showroom car that's a full-size Range Rover that you've just seen right at the beginning, naked in its raw form, that we're going to be doing full transformation on. You're going to take it in. And it starts with this box. Now, given all that I've said, you might have an idea of what's in this box, but let's see. Let's unbox it together. So we just took delivery of these this morning, and the whole point of Approved, both businesses, is that we don't do things by halves. And if you're going to do something, do it properly. And that is why we are unboxing for this Range Rover some 23-inch massive wheels. What do you think? And this is only just the beginning. You're going to see the full transformation from start to finish. We are back with the Range Rover, and it's a little bit more messy than our usual procedure because if you haven't seen already, we've taken loads of parts off of this car, which we'll explain more about shortly. But first of all, the guys are just putting the door onto the car, and one of the main transformations we're doing is taking the car from a glossy finish, which you can see here, the original paint on the bonnet, to a satin finish with Ramon just putting the door on here. Now it's all pre-cut, that means no need to cut on the car, and it's cut by our machinery, and actually you can see on this fender here the pre-cut precision as well. So this has been placed straight on. The templates have been extended actually so we can tuck it underneath and get a full finish, and it's just going to complete to the transformation that we're having over the next few days with this particular car. If you come round here, now we'll talk about, because I didn't want to miss the PPF there, why the bumper's removed. Well, the bumper's having some painting done to it. We'll put in some shots there. Basically, we're painting some of the parts like a body colour and some of the other parts as well to just kind of finish the theme. And then if you come around this side and you come straight past me and you have a look inside, what's missing? The headliner has been taken out as well. So actually this headliner and this car was like a cream beige color, and we're making it a black Alcantara because it's kind of really odd that it kind of, to me, it doesn't match on that spec, although some Range Rovers are spec like that. So this is what we talk about in terms of the little things we sometimes do. It doesn't seem that little, but really it's a minor job in the grand scheme of things. And then down here, we're not going to focus too much on these yet because we're not sure if this will be the final finish, but these are the wheels from the beginning of the video. This is just a sample. The other three wheels are still at the shop because we're still undecided of what we're going to do when we put these wheels on. But can you see just how different the car is going to look from how you originally saw it? It's going to look very good. Keep watching the next few days. Okay, so now we're coming to the final stages of this full transformation. We're just about to put the window tint on, and then in the next day or so, it's going to be completely finished. Keep watching. Well guys, it's almost delivery for the Range Rover, and wow, if you didn't notice these absolute massive discs, actually I call them biscuit wheels, they are about to go on the car, and we've actually added some colouring of the body here behind as well. So yeah, let's see how the car looks later today before it goes out.